So you didn't know you would be playing this evil character at all.
I think I knew that it was something for Stranger Things, but I had no idea what it was for.
And how was it for you playing this character that, was in mostly in flashback, right? I mean, everything was flashback.
Yeah, yeah. It was all flashback. I'm a little bummed that was all flashback because I wanted to be able to work with the crew, but it is what it is. But it was, at least I got to meet them. It was fun. But it was a cool experience being able to wear those old fashioned clothes with shoes and the hair and the house. It was just a weird experience and a really fun because I got to experience that. But all the people on set are very nice and it was awesome.
Who directed you in that?
The Duffer Brothers.
How was it working with the Duffer Brothers?
Oh, they're awesome. They know their craft so well. They know every scene, every little detail. Like, it's inspiring to work with them because they know exactly what they're doing and they're very good at what they do, and they were awesome.
Yeah, I just recently watched their master class. They have a master class on how they created Stranger Things. It's pretty
Oh,
awesome. Yeah,
I
it's
haven't watched it.
yeah, you know the program Master Class. They have all these great teachers, Samuel Jackson talking about acting, Martin Scorsese talking about directing, and they're on there. And I watched their master class and it was awesome. Really creative guys, smart guys.